Good day, beautiful soul family, and welcome back to Discovery to the Miracles Beneath the Surface. All the honor and all the glory and praise goes to our Heavenly Father in Yeshua's name. Beautiful soul family, here's a message straight to your heart. Yahweh loved you spiritually. He knew you before he formed you. When he formed you, you were covered with love, compassion. The machinations of this world will try to cover the love of Yah. He can still see. The question is can you? Until the next message, have a beautiful and wonderful day, and may Yahweh continue to bless you with his love, his peace, and his joy.